How you feel, say, Whisper and Antonian exist for do? Eh? If you always a run behind you, no man. Them fi out there run up and down and get the experience where you have. I get the knowledge where you have. And you sit down and cock up your foot and look about. Me inside.
Babe, you know, say the African woman take down, him they have 3 other locations attached to him, and me they have to shut them down.
These are the things me I talk about. You take down the African. Alright, good. You there foreign. You one. Now you can back up, but you're gonna go take on 3 more things. That's the reason why it all ends here. Anyway, what all of this mean for Tony and Feme Little Rere now that the big African gone? Because I'm sure say that put a big dent in our business.
It put a big dent in him operation, yes. But me I hear about a Haitian connection that you need to check out.
Ooh, right now I don't think that's a good idea. Here what you need to do. Based on the levels of the operation, send Whisper Antonian. Because things are a little bit tense over that side.
Raymond, what you do now?
Why everybody always thinks that me do something? I was over there having a conversation with the man. Saw a strand of hair on his shoulder. And as I brush it off gently, the man spin round. Next thing him tell people, me thump him in the mouth. Go to police, take out restraining order and all kind of thing at courthouse. Pour me.
Raymond, you go over the man place. Go harass him. Jesus God. What do you?
What do me? Wait. You don't believe me? You believe him?
You know, I honestly don't know where Mr. Mullins and me I got to do with you.
You can't keep a good man down. Well, me I tell you, man, I'm so solid as a rock. You just can't keep me down.
Babe, this vendetta where you have against Tony with the killing of your daughter, you sure you don't want to talk to me about it? Because you look like you just want to start a big war.
No, sir. Big war. I don't know anything further. So for the time being, I'm just sitting, watching, waiting. Have no intention to do anything whatsoever off the books, outside the books. I want to keep it clean.
You know, say Angie attacked her, right? My sister, that thing here with your daughter is a touchy situation. So I'm not going to press you no more about it. But just to make you know, Tony is tied to a whole heap of local and international illegal operations. If we're going to take him down, we have to go through the right process. And we have to do it right.
I appreciate you saying that and your sentiments and things. But I just want to assure you that now and going forward, I'm just working by the good book.
The good book will make you shoot somebody in a them foot. The good book will make you take with $500,000. And the good book will make you write a sensational report. Ever?
Angie, I really don't know a lot of what you're talking about right now. But one thing you've said that is definitely true. The good book.
One thing we can tell you though, you Raymond Savage, you're slick no blow wow. No man. But tell me, this plan that you have to integrate Whisper Antonian, how it go?
My plan No, hold on. You are their team leader. You come up with a plan, and I am sure that whenever you execute it, it will work. In the event that it needs any extra suggestions, I'll be happy to share a few of my opinions with you.
I'm glad you mentioned that I'm the team leader. You do know that I'm the team leader for 3 agents, right? And that includes you. So when I come up with the plan, you know that you have to take orders.
Angie, you see, before me reach a stage